Hi people, today I wanted to show to you how to fix when you use Canon printer, because today I had error message like collecting printer status. I would like to show to you if you encountered that error before, you can easily fix that. Collecting printer status. First of all, if you install it, you need to go to Device and Printer. Canon MP460 in Printer Properties. Oh, wait a minute. Printing Preferences. We have Printer Properties. You have to make sure you go to Printer Properties. Make sure you get to Printer Properties. We have ports. I had to go switch to one of the ports. I will show you what would happen. I would like to try to print that web page. Nothing came up because my printer is off. But give me a few seconds because I will have to turn the printer on. Okay. Oh, printer is on. That's interesting because I don't see. That's interesting because I cannot see. Oh, I didn't see this. Because I wanted to show to you. Error printing. You get that error message. Collecting printer status. If you want to bypass that error message, you still have to go to printers option. It depends what type of operating system do you use. I installed the OpenShell application. So you have classic menu in Windows 10. The latest version will work with Windows 11, so you can easily navigate to device and printers. Also make sure you set this as active. Printing preferences. No, printing preferences is different. You need to get to printer properties. Make sure you switch to different USB port, then your printer will work again. But I didn't load paper because I didn't need to. This is only for demonstration purposes. You can always bypass. I just wanted to see the message of the printer. I will have to buy color ink. Ink isn't expensive. Ink isn't cheap because this is an old version of the printer that I was using for a long time. Printer is still working, but I wanted to show to you how to fix that error message. I'm very curious. We can cancel printing. Everything is working okay. Make sure you select different port. So you have to go open device and properties. Because if you get to printing preferences, you will get some other settings related to the printer. Power off, quiet mode. This is quite interesting. I will have to check. Always use quiet mode. Nozzle check. Deep cleaning. I like some features. And that I only wanted to show to you where to get. So you have to go to printer properties. And you have to make sure you select right USB port. This is why I was getting that error message. Okay, I just want to switch to run the USB port to check to make print screen. Because I need the print screen, I need to make video tutorial. Selecting printer status, and I will make a print screen. Hopefully you like my video tutorial. See you guys.